Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to read Snapchat messages without opening them in 2020. It's a very cool way to actually ignore people without them knowing, and you actually see what they're saying, but they don't know that you saw it. If you like and appreciate this video, give it a like. Also, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Comment if you have any questions whatsoever. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go on your chats, obviously from stories, and you might remember that if you just swipe right, it will open the map. So this is not what you're going to do. What you want to do is just swipe right, but from the profile picture of the person, and that way you can actually see the chat without opening it. As you can see, I still have the notification of a new snap. I'm not opening the chat, but you gotta make sure that you're not swiping right from somewhere in the center. You gotta click on the person's profile picture. So this is the way to do it. If this video helped you out, give it a like. If you have any questions, as I said, comment them down below. See you in the next video.